Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change user ID on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Before changing user ID in shell, I am going to check the user ID, type tail -5 etc passwd. Now hit enter. Look, the username is Johnny and its user ID is 1004. Now I am going to change the Johnny user's ID. Type usermod -u. Now type the ID. I am typing ID 3000. Now type the username. My user is Johnny. Now hit enter. Command is executed. Now I am going to check tail -5 /etc passwd. Hit enter and look, the Johnny user's ID has been changed to 3000. This is the easiest way to change a user ID on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.